Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides and Cheat Sheets available from the In 30 Minutes Cheat Sheet store. And today I'm going to be talking about adding a comment to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader, the free version of the software. If you would take a moment to follow my channel or like the video, if it helps you out, I would appreciate it. And what we're looking at right now is the Windows version of the Adobe software. So actually, let's go there right now. And I have this PDF here. It's opened up in the free version of Adobe Acrobat Reader, if you can see that in the upper left corner there. And you can't really do a whole lot with PDFs in Adobe Acrobat Reader, the free version, other than print them out and look at them. But one thing you can do is you can add comments to them. And this is actually a really useful feature. If you want to, for instance, send the PDF to somebody else later on and have them see your comments. So let's say this is a worksheet and I want to share this with my my in-laws for their kids or something like that. So what I would do is I'd open up the PDF, and up in the top, the toolbar at the top, you'll see it says Add Sticky Note. So just click on that, and then you'll see this like a sticky note, a white version of it moving around, and you can basically put the note wherever you want to. Wherever you want it to show up. So let's say that I wanted to put it right here. And I'm going to add a comment. I'm going to say, this is an ampersand symbol, which means and. Okay? And click post. And then once I click out of it, that little comment I made, it disappears. But then if you click it again, or hover over it, you'll see what it says. So I can go through this whole document, and I can say, like next to this one, place and date of interview. You can put the city and state and the date like this, June 29th, 2021. Okay, post. So basically, I'm putting these instructions for people who may not know how to use it properly, or maybe I want somebody else to take a look at it because they need to update the PDF or something like that. But these little comments are useful. And if the other person is using Adobe Reader, they will be able to see these comments, these sticky notes, no problem. When they open, first of all, you have to save this document. So click the save icon up here. It'll prompt you to save a copy of it. So I'm going to save it to the same folder, and I'm going to call it to sample. With comments. Okay. All right, so it's just save that. So later on, if I want to email this to somebody or put it on a shared cloud storage file like in Dropbox or Google Drive or something like that, then they could access it themselves. As long as they're opening it up in Adobe Reader, they will be able to see these sticky comments that I've left. Also, I found out that even if you open it up in some other types of software, for instance, if you're opening it up on a Macintosh computer using the free preview software that is the default for opening PDFs, you will see these comments as well. However, I usually recommend using Adobe Reader no matter what operating system you're using, because Adobe software, if you've, they're the most full-featured PDF software out there. Adobe Reader is free. It's available on multiple types of computers and even smaller devices, such as an iPad or something like that. So it will really make sure that the full functionality is showing up properly the way it was designed to do. If you need more information on how to get the most out of the technology that you use every day, go to the Cheat Sheet store, cheatsheets.store, or in30minutes.com to learn more about our cheat sheets and also to check out our blog posts and videos and whatnot. This is Ian Lamont signing off. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and you can see many more videos, blog posts, and our products on in30minutes.com or the Cheat Sheet store. Thank you so much for watching.